everyone, this is Carolyn from Carolyn's Musings on Etsy and on Facebook. I come to show you how to assemble this new, it's a tabletop calendar. I hope you can see it. I have a new setup, and so it's not that great. Here we go. So to get started, first of all, I wanted to show you what the papers look like. Now, I've cut this one out because I had to have it. But here's the box, this part that we will create. And on this page, I printed this backing paper. And this is the easel part. And on this one, I put this backing paper. Also, this will be our pencil holder here. And then I have our verses. I have a set in NIV. I'm so sorry. I've been sick. So please forgive me if I cough or anything. And I printed this on the back of this. There's two backings provided. This one and this one. Just in case on your scripture, if you would like to write on the back. And so I have them in, I have 12 verses, one set in NIV, and one set in King James Version. And then I did one page that's blank, memory verse, praying for, or you can put whatever you'd like. So sorry, y'all. Okay, so I've cut the pieces out, and I've had a little bit of difficulty. I hope this one works this time. But let me show you. This is the easel, or at least that's what I'm calling it. And you will score on these lines here. Okay, and then you'll fold here. And varnish. And then I have rounded the corners, so I just wait until I get finished. And I will round them. And then for this, you fold this way, and then you fold this way, and then you fold this way. Okay, so you have the mountain valley. Okay, and then what we're going to do on this part is we're going to place glue on this smallest flap here. Make sure I'm still in frame. Okay, let me get this unstuck. And you'll just bring this part down. Okay, and then that's your easel part. Let me go ahead and ink those back up. Okay, and then next is your box. And you score on this line and on this line. Sorry, please forgive me. And again here. And I'm sorry, I forgot to also say I printed everything on, let me see. I think on the live, some asked me what cardstock I used. And this is 65 pound. And this is what it is. Okay. Okay, and then I went ahead and cut, you should be able to see in the printout, there's just a little sliver. I left the slivers so you could see, hopefully. Let me see if I can get them there. It's just a little bitty sliver off. You don't need much, but that's all it would be, is that little bit of cutting, just to give it a little bit of wiggle so it doesn't interfere with anything. All right, let me pull these slivers off. Okay, and then the card is pretty self-explanatory. Okay, I'm going to fold these two sides, and we're going to work on the pencil first, because that's what we will put in first. So I'm just folding all these inward for now. Okay, and I'm going to set that to the side. And this is what will hold your pencil. So you just score on each of these lines. And then you're just going to make a box. So just fold on all the lines. There's my phone. And then what you'll do is glue this one to here. Okay, and then line those up. And then what I do is I try to hold it for just a minute. And then I turn it over and I stick this in here. You can just go ahead and push it like that if you'd like. Okay, so this is the side that we have glued. So what we want to do, let me go ahead and do this so you can see better. Okay, so what we're going to do, this is the side I glued, and I don't want it to show. So it's going to go, this is the side. So it's going to go down. Okay, this is the side. It's going down like this. So I'm going to fold it like this. This is the part back here that we glued. I'm going to fold it like this. I'm going to put glue on this section. And I'm going to glue it to here. But I'm going to try to stay off of the score line. Let's see how well that does. Okay, so then it kind of matches up over here. Let me make sure. Okay, we'll see how it comes out. Then I just fold this over. Hope you can see. I just fold this over, and I'm not going to glue it to anything because I'm hoping that it'll give more support for the pencil that goes in there. Okay, so then all we're going to do is fold that over on this section. On the bottom, we're going to place glue here. And then we're going to set this up, bring this up, and we're going to match this here. Okay, for our box. Okay, one second, please. Okay, so sorry. Okay, and then we will put, I should have probably glued this first, but then we're going to glue this to the back portion. I know you can't see what I'm doing now. I'll glue it to there. And then we're going to place glue on here. And we're going to glue this together. Okay. Okay, there's that. And I put the pencil on a different side this time. Okay, and then all you do is glue this to the trifold, the easel, I should say. Okay, and then there is that. And the only other thing I did, which you probably want to put it on before you do this. And I made some cards to go on the back to give the back more stability while holding your cards, which it does pretty good. It seems to be sturdy enough, but I'm going to go ahead and put this on anyway. Oh, wait. I'm going to round the corners. I'm just going to give a little border around the whole back. Okay, now your cards and your memory cards can fit in there. And then the only thing we have left to do is the calendar. Let me see. There's some things I would like to say. I don't know if I printed another calendar. I don't think I did. Okay, let's see if this is going to fit. Score on the two dark lines. Okay. Fold. And fold. Let's see if it's going to work first. Okay, this part goes in the back. Yep, I think it'll work okay. I don't think I cut my calendar exactly right. There's still some white. Okay, so get it tight. And what I did was I just put some glue on the top here. I spread it with my finger. Not too much. It's better just to spread with your fingers so that it doesn't seep in. I think I used clips when I did it before, so it doesn't seep into the pages. It just stays on the top. And then I put glue here and here and fold it over. Oops. Like that. Okay, and then when I first designed this template, I had got it too long. I think you can see, because I was designing it to glue on the front, and it was way too long. So what I done with the first one was I just slipped it inside. So either way, you can slip it inside if that's the way, you would like it, if you like that look. Or, now this time, I have the measurements right, and you can glue it on the outside if you'd like. Hope I'm in frame. Okay, and then there's your pencil, and there you go. There's your tabletop calendar. I hope you enjoy it. God bless you all. And thank you for putting up with my cold. Have a good day. Bye-bye.